Welcome to the Sports Carnival tutorial on user roles and how to change permissions in your Sports Carnival software for specific user role types. For us to get there, first we're going to go over to the left-hand sidebar, click on Users, and in the drop-down menu, you're going to head to User Roles. From there, you're going to see the various roles that have already been established in your Sports Carnival software. And you're going to see where the user roles have been assigned to certain specific individuals in your Sports Carnival software. Now, for roles and permissions, if you want to create a new role, we're going to go ahead and create a role right here. We're going to click Create a Test Role. We're going to hit Add. Then that has been added. We're going to go ahead and edit. And from there, we can determine what various permissions that this role has. As an example, do they have access to the admin dashboard? Yes. Coupon management. Can they manage your admin home? Can they manage the archives, the calendar, communications, events and forms, reservations? A lot of these permissions do not necessarily pertain to your Sports Carnival instance. However, they do work for different various instances throughout the Sports Carnival ecosystem. But for you, you're going to want to only focus on the permissions that pertain to your particular Sports Carnival software. And as you can see, we can designate those here on the left-hand side. Now, user roles is something that you won't necessarily have to use a whole lot. And of course, if you have any further questions on these and if you need any help or assistance, feel free to reach out to Sports Carnival support and we can walk you through and or do it for you if you need.